Welcome back, my friends. We are on the final stretch of 13 days of Craft-O-Ween. I am Melanie with Melanie Smith Stamps, and if you have come this far and have been with me every day up until now, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're enjoying this series. I would love to hear from you and see if you are a Craft-O-Ween crafter. I'd love to know. So this is day 10, and again, more gorgeous artwork. So let's open this up and see what we're playing with. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Another skull. The skulls are popular this year. I wonder if that's going to be a fashion statement or something. Now this one is a little different though. This is a skull inside a flower. So kind of neat. The leaves are the actual bat wings. That's clever. And then the face kind of looks like the Day of the Dead type face. So you could actually craft with that by itself if you wanted to do Day of the Dead type cards. That would be interesting to do. Or you probably could just use a circle die and just make this an actual flower. You could do that as well. So you've got different ideas here popping up in my mind. You could make these little flowers too. His eyes could be little tiny flowers because you got the centers there for them. You can make little sunflowers. I mean, lots of little ideas for this one. I really think this one's clever. This piece here, I believe, goes behind this area here to give you all the black color. And then, of course, your stem and the bat wings for the leaves, like I said. So this is super cute. Super cute. I don't know if I'll make him red or not, but we'll see. Let me go craft with him a little bit and see what happens. Right, guys, I decided because how big this flower is that we're going to make a card with this today. So this little black piece here, again, goes behind the skull's face, just like in one of our other ones, and it makes all of those areas in the skull black. Super easy. Now, this background that we're using today was from my stash of backgrounds. It is actually a BetterPress or press and foil plate from LDRS Creative. It's one of the companies I work with and love and adore. It also gives you a 15% discount by using my coupon code anytime you shop over there with LDRS Creative. So make sure you keep that in your back pocket anytime you want to look at their information or their store. They're like a boutique type store. Really, really fashionable, nice items. The designer really has a lot of class, the owner has a lot of class in her designs, and I really enjoy her work. So we are gluing this skull face onto this big flower, and I just love the red foil that Randy picked for the flower. Even though he stuck to the colors, he got us some red flashy foil, and I love that. So he's branching out a little bit, and speaking of branches, check out these bat wings here for our little leaves on our flower. I just love that little addition. And in the final card, I actually put some gems on her eyes just to give a little bit of bling there in the center as a little extra focal. So here's the card, and let's show you the finished one.